Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to provide an answer to this question, that is set question, but equation involving set or set involving equation. But we have two set in one equation. We can start by eliminating that of the square root. We can see that we have two square roots separated by an operation, that is addition. So the best way is to separate the set, that is the square root, to both sides of the equation. So I can decide to maintain the first one and send the other one to the right. So I'll be having equals to, since I have 3 here already, I maintain the 3, then this is going to be minus x minus 1. So now at this point I have the square root at both sides of the equal sign. So the next thing to do is to eliminate our square root, and we know the best way to cancel the square root is what? Using the square of the two sides. So squaring both sides, we are going to have all this squared equals to 3 into bracket x minus 1 all what? Squared. And we know that since this is the only operator here, the root is covering the two terms here. So this square can easily cancel the square root, because the square root is just a power of half. So then the second side, since there are two terms separated by a minus, it means this is becoming a minus b all squared. Two different terms being squared. This means this bracket is being duplicated. This is going to be a minus b times a minus b. Or the shortcut is that we square the first term, we have a minus, so twice the product. What is the product of a and b? That will be ab. Twice of that, meaning 2 multiplying it. Then we square the last. Since this is going to be positive, so b squared. So these 3 terms can also be derived from here. Using this as our first term, this side as our second term. So from this expression, we can say this will cancel this. So x plus 2 equals to square the 3 minus twice their product. So 2 multiplying 3 and root x minus 1. This is twice the product of 3 and the root. Then plus square the last, going to be the root of x minus 1 all square. I believe fast forward, we will have our x. We have 3 squared to be 9. 2 times 3, 6. Still our root of x minus 1 will feature. Then I have plus. Seeing all of this is one term, so the square can cancel the square root, leaving us only x minus what? 1 from that bracket, because the square root will be cancelled by the square. I am still having a set in this equation, so I can just send all other terms that are not having set to one side, then the term you said at the other side. So maintaining my x, bringing this x all the way from the right to the left become minus x. Maintaining my 2, bringing in the 9 as minus. This is going to come as what? Plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the left, then we are left with minus 6, the root of x minus what? 1, as our next step. Looking at the x minus x, we know it will cancel. We are left with, this is going to be 1 plus 2, which will also give us what? 3. 3 minus 9. If I have 3 minus 9, I'll be having minus 6. Meaning the whole of this will be translated to what? Minus 6. So your minus 6 equals to minus 6 root x minus 1. What do I have here? I still have a set that I can easily cancel, or I can divide through by what? 6, since 6 is what? Common. So if I divide through by my 6, which in this case negative 6, I'll be having negative 6 here, negative 6 here. That will cancel to give you 1 is equals to the root of x minus 1. You could have also squared both sides, but it will have increased the 6 to 36 at both sides. Still, if you divide by 36, you still end up getting what? 1. So I'll only square here. That is going to be 1 squared equals to root of x minus 1 also what? Squared. I know this will give me 1. The square root will cancel this, so I'll be left with x minus 1. So this is a simple equation whereby we can group like terms by adding 1 to both sides. So it will be 1 plus 1, x minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0. So in sense, your x is going to be what? 2. So the value of x we are looking for in this equation is just what? 2. But we can't stop here. We have to check and see whether if 2 is replaced with x, I should get the right hand side to be equals to 3. Meaning the root of 2 plus 2 plus the root of 2 minus 1 should be able to give us 3. So this will be root 4 as in 2 plus 2. That is going to be root 1 as in 2 minus 1 equals to 3. I believe this will give you 2. This will give you 1. So 3 equals to 3 is a true statement. Therefore, the value of x that can satisfy this equation is 2. Thank you for watching. If you grab the concept, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.